All right, guys, we got this amazing park. And I got Taco Bell. Let me show you what I got. A couple of things, guys. All right, so I got a Mexican pizza, and I got some chips and cheese, and of course, guys, I got a Dr. Pepper. So let's get this video started. All right, guys, so this is, I got a gift card from a subscriber, and I told her she wanted a shout out. I'll read you what she said. So it's also very windy. I hope you can hear me. But hi, Karen. I love watching your YouTube videos. I subscribe to your channel. Here's a little something from me. Taco Bell gift card. I wish it was more. I would love if you could do a mukbang with it and say hi to me in a video. I hope you're doing well during this time. Take care and stay healthy. P.S. One of my favorite things from Taco Bell is a Mexican pizza, and I add shredded lettuce to the top. You should try it. Yeah, so that's what I got. I got a Mexican pizza with shredded lettuce on top. Her name is Nikki. So I'm saying, hi, Nikki. Thank you so much for the gift card at Taco Bell. This is a video special for you. And yeah, thank you so much. Okay, let's try this Mexican pizza. This is really good, by the way. So this Mexican pizza, it has like cheese, it has like, well, I put lettuce, but normally doesn't come with lettuce. Tomatoes, beans, I think some red sauce. I think it's 2 flour tortillas, one on top, one on the bottom, and between there's like beans. If you've never tried it, it's really good, guys. I can't believe this park, there's nobody here. Oh my God, let me show you this park. There's a train tracks right there. Over there, there's a nice pond. It's very beautiful, and I'm the only one here. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. All right, so let's first try this pizza, Mexican pizza. Actually, my mom likes this pizza too. Might add some red sauce later, but let's try it without the extra red sauce. I think it does have some sauce to it. Kind of messy. All right, let's try a little bite. It's very good. It's really good. I'm gonna go ahead and add some like red sauce on here. This is mild, by the way. So yeah, I think it would be good with extra sauce, even though it already has sauce. Very good. Yeah, I can't believe how windy it is, but I'm gonna add a little more red sauce. So guys, today, I think it's like June 13th, I think today's when I'm filming it. I found some great news, guys. I heard some great news. I'm able to do Reiki, I think on June 19th. There are some strict rules though for massage. People who do massage and any kind of energy Reiki healing, one of the things I have to take temperatures clients. That's one rule. That's why I want to lose temperature things. Another rule, I have to buy sanitizer. It's no problem. I have a lot of sanitizer at home that I got from Walmart. And another thing is they have to sign a waiver. And I have to give them like a booklet or print a booklet out or something about the, the COVID and all that other stuff. I don't know much about it right now. I just found out today from a person who does massage in my area. So I don't know what the booklet says. I haven't got all that information, but I'm excited. I'm gonna start doing Reiki again. I just really feel like, I don't know, I really miss doing Reiki healing. It's really fun. Yeah, and the money is really great too. In fact, when I was journaling and saying how much money I want to make, and I make so much money, and I make this much money, and I'm so happy. All I can think about is my Reiki practice and getting more clients, and I just saw myself getting really busy with Reiki. as I was journaling them. That was how I thought I would be making the money. How can nobody be here at this beautiful park? There's nobody here. I don't understand. Oh yeah, guys. Cheesy. Oh, another rule for the Reiki or massage. You have to wear the face mask. So that's another rule. But client and me. So, but yeah, I'm excited about doing my Reiki practice again. I want to be busy again. Last year was probably the best year of my life. Yeah, definitely the best year of my life. That's when I got a new boyfriend. That was so exciting and fun in the beginning, not the end. I was working so many hours at Walmart. I didn't get off until 11, and sometimes I didn't go to bed till 1 a.m. After 1 a.m. Sometimes I would see my boyfriend after work. It was really hard, but it was also exciting and fun for me. And I was busy with my Reiki practice. And I was just busy. But now, with the COVID right now, Walmart, we still cut our hours a little bit. So instead of working, somebody suggested cut my hours, do more YouTube, but I already cut my hours a lot at Walmart. I like to get more clients as well. So when I journaled before and I wanted my own apartment, I looked at my old journals and it took about 2 months, guys, 2 months. When I got my own apartment, and it was perfect for me. I couldn't ask for anything better. It's perfect. The only thing is I would maybe want a washer and dryer in the unit, at least in the complex. But it's so quiet and peaceful. I don't share any walls with anybody. It's like my own little private home. It's like a cottage. So I actually love it so much. And I'm very happy that I have it. And it took 2 months. So I'm thinking, when I was writing that, my journals, it was like 3 or 4 weeks ago. And I knew I wouldn't do massage for a while, at least 2 months later. So I was just getting that massage, our Reiki. I do Reiki now. There was one person and a kid. Yeah. That's fun though. But yeah, so good. I always wanted to film at this location. I keep on passing it. It was like last winter sometime, or late last year, or early this year when it was like winter. And I go, okay, I'll film when it gets nice and sunny. But then the COVID started, and I think parks were closed at that time. So, I'm glad I'm here. Let me know, guys, about the location. I think it's great. I think it's super quiet here. That's cool. What do you do with sour cream? I don't think it has sour cream. Oh. This never happens, but they give you all these nachos in this bag and it's overflowing. Usually they just give me nachos, and it's weird at Taco Bell. They usually just give me the bag, but this time they give me a bag with like tape around it. And normally I just check my food, but I figured I'll just try. Oh wow, and I got all this cheese. This is my first time going to this location. This location is right by the park, like a few blocks away. They never give me this cheese this much. They usually use a half full or less. But they did give me like all these chips. That's a lot. It's like, it never overflows the bag like that. This is one of my favorite things to get, the chips and cheese. I love it. It's so good. So today is Saturday. If you guys care what the day is, I'm gonna try to have this video out by next week. From some somebody, she works here. She won't kick me out. I think she works here. No, call. Like I said, today's Saturday. I'm probably gonna, I'm gonna work today, obviously. I love working at Walmart. It's so cool. People are so nice. We're all friends. I just love it so much. There's only one girl I did not like, but she's okay, I guess, a little bit. She's kind of like bossy. But that's okay, you know. Some people are bossy, but everybody else is cool. She's okay. A few days ago, I filmed a location near my work. I found this nice bench. There was a lot of street noise because the street was like, we're literally right next here, but this one, the street, it's kind of far. It's probably like 20 or 30 feet away. So I'm hoping that the sound is good. So after this, I'll film myself walking by the to my car. It's a nice river. I'll show you. It's really nice. All that sauce, I still have no sauce left. It's really good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video. And then yeah, have a great day. Peace. Alright guys, we're walking back to my car here, the train tracks. And let me show you this creek. I don't know if you guys can see that creek, but there is a creek down there. I just swear I should come and chill. Oh, the quality looks really good on my phone. I don't know if you guys can see that creek, but yeah, it's a very pretty full place. And now we're just gonna walk back to my car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.